Hi. Hi, everyone. This is Mrs. Nash. Just a check in. I'm going to give you just a little overview about our May activities. Okay. I feel a little better this month. I feel March was what's going on. It's really how I felt all month. And then on in April, I felt like, okay, we're trying this. I don't really know what's working. In May, I'm kind of feeling like we got this, right? We got this. We're on a roll now. It's all good. So I think this is going to be a really good month. So instead of having weekly activities, I was thinking of just having monthly activities because I'm trying to do the check-ins with the students. And with the check-ins, I'm hitting their individual goals. But with this, like you can use it with their individual goals, but they're just very general lessons. Okay, so I do have the May calendar. It looks on the screen, in the wrong layout, but it's obviously going to look like this. Okay, so on Mondays, it's a sound hunt with a book. So again, you don't have to do these activities every day. Okay, if you do maybe one or two a week, that's awesome. That's actually really good. So I would encourage you to at least try to do one. But if you could do two a week, that's awesome. If you can do more, hey, I applaud you. I honestly do. On Mondays, it says read an animal book, but I really don't care what book you read. It could be any book at all. So just read or it says an animal book, and then you're going to find 5 items or 5 words that have your speech sound in them. Okay. And these are at the beginning of the word. So for example, if you're working on L, okay, and then you find words that start with an L. So L only at the beginning of the word, like lion. Another one would be Lucy, so L just at the beginning, okay? And then the following week, you're going to do the same thing in a book, but you're going to try to find your speech, at least 5 items with your speech sound in the middle of the word, okay? So for example, if you're working on that L, you would find words that say below, how that L is in the middle, okay? And then the following week is find 5 items that have your speech sound at the end of the word. So it would be ball, call, those types of words. So, your sound at the end of the word. But once you find these words, you have to say them correctly, okay? And again, if you have any questions about the speech sounds you're working on, you can email me anytime and I'm happy to connect with you. And then also during our check-ins, if you have any questions, that's a great opportunity to ask me questions as well. And then the last week, find 5 items in your room that have your speech sound in it. It could be at the beginning of the word, the middle, or the end. So Tuesdays, it's buddy times, play with a friend. Did they understand everything you said? It's just kind of a little bit more of a self-reflection. Wednesdays are self-check-ins. Okay, so I want you to really start to monitor your speech and how your speech was. How was my speech today? Was it really good? And you would color in the happy face. If it was okay, then you color in the middle one. If it probably not the best day, okay, then you color in the one at the end. Okay. All right. Thursdays we have game day. Make a list. Draw a picture with your speech sounds in it. So those are fun. Fridays are more family time. So use your best speech when you're sitting at dinner. So these are fun activities. If you're having any difficulty saying some words, write them off to the side here. That way when I do check-ins with you, that you're going to have a list of words and be like, Mrs. Nash, I need some help with these words, and I'd be happy to help you with any of those words. I don't care if they have your speech sound in them or not. If they're words that you really want to say clearly and you're having a hard time, I am so happy to work on those sounds with you. Okay, so this is the calendar. At the top it says they're designed for 5 to 15 minutes. So these are not long activities for you guys. And then you color in the box, once you complete the activity. And then you can always refer back to your IEP for specific goals or contact me if you have any questions about specific goals. And that's about it with that. So that's the monthly articulation practice. I've also included, I thought this was really cool. It's just daily brain breaks and activities calendar. This is not, you do not have to do this. I just found this and thought this was really cool ideas. I really like it. On Mondays, they're all about mindfulness. Being a yoga instructor, you guys know that I love this mindfulness stuff. So it's a lot of breathing. So during the day, if you just feel that you're just feeling really out of sorts, you just need something, you can pull up this calendar, see what day it is, and then do that activity. Okay. So for example, Monday could be cool off the pizza, and then you read it's a breathing activity. You try to, blow the pizza. And then Tuesdays are brain teasers. Wednesdays are a lot of movement. Thursday, relationships, a lot of social skills. And Friday, games and fun. Okay. So if you just need, you're running out of ideas, I don't know what to do, pull up this calendar and it might give you some suggestions. Again, it's not mandatory. I just thought it was kind of a cool calendar. So I attached that one as well. Okay. All right. So if you have any questions at all, you can email me at any time. I will be sending out some virtual meetings. I'm going to try to get in touch with you guys at least, at minimum 2 to 3 times this month. I'd like to connect with you every week, but some weeks just get so crazy that I'm unable to do every week with all of you guys. So I will try my best because that's my favorite part of my day is having those conversations with you guys. So I hope everyone is doing well. I miss you guys, and I hope you take care and reach out. Okay?